Reaching the financial milestone of earning your first £100,000 is a goal that many aspire to, but it is one that requires careful consideration, planning, and sometimes significant risk. The strategies and methods outlined in this article are general in nature and may not be suitable for everyone. They are not a guarantee of success, and individual results may vary. Disclaimer: the content is intended solely for informational and educational purposes. It does not constitute financial, legal, or investment advice, and should not be used as a basis for making investment decisions or taking financial actions. Consulting with a qualified financial or legal professional who is familiar with your specific situation is strongly recommended before pursuing any of the strategies or methods described. Each individual's financial situation is unique, and you should consult with a qualified financial or legal professional who understands your particular circumstances before making any significant financial decisions. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to diversify your income, reaching this substantial financial goal can be both challenging and rewarding. From investments to entrepreneurship, various paths can lead you toward £100,000, each catering to different skills, interests, and risk tolerances. It's essential to approach these avenues with caution, awareness, and a willingness to seek professional guidance when necessary. Here are 10 ways to potentially make your first £100,000, recognizing that success in any of these areas requires diligence, adaptability, and a well-crafted strategy. 1. Start a business. Turning a passion or innovative idea into a business can be rewarding both personally and financially. From creating a detailed business plan to securing initial funding, the process demands perseverance and strategic thinking. Successful entrepreneurship often involves recognizing a market need, offering quality products or services, and building strong customer relationships. 2. Invest in real estate. Real estate investment offers various opportunities, from buying rental properties to flipping houses. Success in this field requires understanding local market conditions, proper property management, and often significant capital investment. A well-chosen property can provide regular income and long-term appreciation. 3. Stock market investments. Investing in stocks can lead to substantial financial growth over time. However, the stock market can be volatile, requiring patience and a well-thought-out strategy. Diversification, proper research, and possibly even professional guidance can help mitigate risks and guide you toward your financial goal. 4. Freelancing or consulting. Leveraging professional skills as a freelancer or consultant can allow for flexibility and potentially lucrative earnings. Building a client base, maintaining quality work, and efficient networking are vital in this competitive field. Many successful freelancers turn their skills into a full-time career. 5. Build and monetize a blog or YouTube channel. Content creation can be both fulfilling and profitable. Building a dedicated audience takes time, consistent content creation, and engagement. Monetization through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and merchandise sales can lead to a solid income stream. 6. Write a book or create a course. Sharing your expertise through a book or online course can reach a broad audience. Marketing and promoting your work, along with providing valuable content, can turn this endeavor into a revenue-generating project. Self-publishing platforms and online education sites have made this path more accessible than ever. 7. Trade currencies or cryptocurrencies. This field is both exciting and risky. Success in currency or cryptocurrency trading requires a deep understanding of financial markets and trends, sound decision-making, and a well-crafted strategy. The potential for high returns is balanced by the risk of significant losses. 8. Develop and sell software or apps. If you have a knack for coding and innovation, creating software or mobile apps can lead to substantial income. Identifying a target audience, developing a quality product, and effectively marketing it are crucial steps in this creative and competitive field. 9. Franchise ownership. Owning a franchise offers the benefits of a proven business model and brand recognition. Researching suitable franchise opportunities, understanding the obligations and costs involved, and managing the business effectively are key to success as a franchisee. 10. Create and sell physical products. From crafting unique handmade items to manufacturing innovative products, this path is open to many entrepreneurs. Success often involves identifying a niche market, ensuring product quality, and utilizing online platforms to reach a global audience. Reaching the milestone of £100,000 is an ambitious goal that requires a clear vision, commitment, and strategic effort. Whether you're exploring traditional investment options, capitalizing on your unique skills, or diving into entrepreneurial pursuits, the path to financial success is often marked by continuous learning, adaptability, and resilience. While the 10 ways outlined above provide various opportunities, it's essential to remember that there are no shortcuts or guaranteed outcomes. Each method requires diligent research, careful planning, and sometimes professional guidance to navigate successfully. Embrace the journey with an open mind and a willingness to grow, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Success in any of these endeavors may not come overnight, but with patience, determination, and a well-crafted approach, your first £100,000 is an attainable dream. I hope you have learnt something valuable from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss any future content about money-related stuff again. Goodbye.